Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to buy Venom Coin and send to Venom Wallet. So stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. We will be using Bybit to buy Venom Coin, so we're going to open our Bybit. And at the bottom right corner you can see Assets, we're going to tap on it, then tap on Funding, and when we scroll down you can see Venom right here. And this is because I have Venom already. So if you have Venom already, you can buy more Venom by tapping on Venom again. Now there are two options on this page to get more Venom. You can go over to one-click buy, or you could use easy buy. If we go through easy buy, here you could put in the amount of USDT you would like to use in getting Venom. If we write 1 USDT, we can see the amount of Venom we could get, and then you can click on buy Venom. Going back, the other option is to go with the one-click buy, and then once again you can put in the amount you want to buy. In this case, the minimum is 5 USD. So if we tap on 5, you can click on next, and then here you get to select your payment method. In this case, there are only two methods for payment, which is USD balance and the Google Pay. So if you select your Google Pay, you can go ahead and click buy with USD. Now, if you don't have Venom already, you can go over to USDT, and assuming you have USDT and you're here, you can go down to convert, and you can convert USDT to Venom. We're going to tap on the ETH and then look for Venom. At the top, you have the option to search for Venom. Tap on it, and now we have USDT to Venom. We can put the amount if we put 1, because this allows you to buy as little as 1 USDT. And then you're going to receive this amount of Venom. You're going to tap on quote, and then confirm within the allotted time. Now you can see we have some Venom purchased already, and we can now send it to our Venom wallet. All we need to do is to tap on withdraw at the bottom, and then you're going to put in the address and fill in the rest. Now in order to do this, you need to minimize Bybit, and you're going to open your Venom wallet. Right here, you have the option to receive. The button is here, so you're going to tap on it. This will give you a QR code and the alphanumeric crypto address. You can copy the address here, and now that it's copied, we will go back to Bybit to paste it there. And for the network, you can tap on it, and then you have two options. You have ERC20 and Venom. We will be using Venom because we're trying to send it to our Venom wallet. But do take note that it's currently congested. However, the fee is great, so we're going to tap on Venom, and then it also warns you that you might need to consider using a different network. Now, when this happens, your Venom will arrive, but it will take some more time because of the congestion. Now, currently we have 12 Venom. We're going to put in 2 and then click on withdraw. Now, when we confirm this, it will send our Venom coin from Bybit into Venom Wallet. Now, depending on your security verification method, you might have to pass through another step to verify this transaction. In my case, I will be clicking on Get Code, and then when the code is sent, I will put it here and then go to my Google Authenticator to also put in the one-time password. And now we have it here. We're going to click on Confirm, and you can see right here that our withdrawal application has been submitted. This withdrawal means that we've withdrawn from Bybit into our Venom wallet. And now when we check on our Venom wallet, we can see 2 Venom, and this is the exact amount we sent from our Bybit. So this is how to buy Venom Coin and send to Venom Wallet.